The natural septic tank reset, restarting bacteria after chemical damage. A septic tank needs healthy bacteria to break down waste naturally. These bacteria help control odors, reduce sludge, and keep the system working properly. But harsh chemicals like bleach, drain cleaners, and antibacterial soaps can damage this natural balance. When bacteria die off, the septic tank may develop slow drains, foul smells, or waste buildup. Knowing how to restore septic tank bacteria after chemicals can help prevent bigger septic problems later. Do you want to learn about how to fix all your septic tank issues and save a small fortune every year? Click the link below in the description to learn more. Signs your septic bacteria are damaged. Watch for these common warning signs. Slow flushing toilets. Bad smells from drains. Gurgling pipes. Standing water near the drain field. More frequent septic backups. These problems often mean the bacterial activity inside the tank has weakened. 1. Stop using strong chemicals. The first step is reducing harmful cleaners. Avoid pouring these products into drains. Excess bleach. Chemical drain openers. Antibacterial cleaners. Paint chemicals. Strong disinfectants. Use septic-safe cleaning products whenever possible. This helps beneficial bacteria recover naturally. 2. Add septic bacteria treatment. Natural septic treatments contain helpful bacteria and enzymes. These products help restart waste digestion inside the tank. They help break down organic waste, grease, paper waste, sludge buildup. Regular treatments can improve septic performance and reduce odors. 3. Reduce water usage. Too much water can stress a damaged septic system. During recovery, spread laundry loads across the week. Fix leaking faucets. Avoid long showers. Lower water flow gives bacteria time to rebuild. 4. Avoid flushing harmful waste. Never flush materials that damage septic systems, including wet wipes, cooking grease, paper towels, feminine products, coffee grounds. Keeping harmful waste out protects bacterial balance. A healthy septic tank depends on active bacteria. Harsh chemicals can disturb this system and slow waste breakdown. Thankfully, homeowners can restore septic tank bacteria after chemicals by avoiding toxic cleaners, adding bacterial treatments, reducing water use, and following proper septic care habits. Simple maintenance can help the septic system recover naturally and continue working efficiently for years. Worried about your septic tank? Do you want to learn about how to fix all your septic tank issues and save a small fortune every year by using Septifix? Click the link below in the description to learn more. Thanks for watching.